You can enter your business expenses directly through your phone by using the QBO Mobile App. You can also capture receipts and categorize these expenses on the same mobile device. First, select Add Expense from the icons displayed across the top of the dashboard in your QuickBooks Mobile App. In the Amount field, enter the amount of money that you spent. We bought some job materials for $250. Then enter how you paid for this expense: credit card, check, or other. Since we used a debit card, we will indicate that by selecting Other. Next, select which account. In this case, we will indicate that the debit came from the checking account. The QBO app assumes this expense happened on the current date, but if this expense occurred on a different date, you can click on the date and select the actual date of the expense on the calendar. In the Who You Paid field, enter the supplier or service provider that you paid. You can leave this field blank, but for reporting purposes, you will want to enter the appropriate supplier so that you can run Expenses by Supplier Summary report. You can also optionally identify the location of this expense. In the Type of Expense field, enter the appropriate expense category for this purchase. We spent this money on job materials, and we have a job materials expense account, so choose Job Materials as the category. If the expense was for a particular customer or project, you can enter that in the Who or What Was This For field. Just tap the field with your finger and then choose the customer from the list or add new customers on the spot. Next, select the What is the Tax field and indicate the applicable taxes paid on this expense receipt. Scroll down, and if you need more than one account to categorize this particular expense, you have the option to split the expense between multiple accounts. In the Reference Number and Memo fields, you can add any additional details relevant to this expense to help you keep track for your bookkeeping and accounting. Scroll back up to the top and notice that there is a camera icon. When you click on that icon, QBO allows you to take a picture of the receipt with the camera on your mobile device or retrieve it from the existing photos on your device. After you've done so, select Save up at the top right. A preview page of the expense is then displayed. QuickBooks enters the expense and uploads the picture you took of the receipt and attaches it to the transaction in QuickBooks. The picture of the receipt that you uploaded is easily accessible both through the browser version of QuickBooks and through the app version of QuickBooks. Here you can also add any attachments, photos, or additional notes. Now you can attach receipts and enter expenses through the QuickBooks mobile app.